85, the order of kanji. So here is read, replacing of read. We can use the type of kanji only for read. So we know this kanji already we use in 84 tomo kanji, 84. So this is the meaning of say. In replace of say, and hiragana e. In replacing of e we used already. This is the meaning of say or sound say. So say with this kanji, say with this kanji. This is the meaning of another. This is the read. So yo. This is the read. Yo. This is a read. So yomimasu. We know already yomimasu. Yomimasu means read. Yomimasu. So here yo in replacing of yo. So here second, this one yomimasu. So here horizontal, then little vertical, then so here is yomimasu. So this is the meaning of read. Yomimasu, read. So this is very usable in the purpose of reading or read. So here is we can now practice. So first, second, we already know this kanji. For third, and here is horizontal and little vertical, then these one, and here is that one. So here again first, second, third, fourth. So here a little, so again this one, again practice vertical, horizontal, then little vertical, then this one, continue, second, fourth, and this little one, so this is the practice of yo. So is a pronunciation yo, only yo. So by using yo, so in one sentence, mainichi 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 shinbun o yomimasu. So mainichi shinbun o yomimasu. Mainichi shinbun o yomimasu. So we know that kanji just we have learned that one, yomimasu. Mainichi shinbun o yomimasu.